Hi, my name is Justin Conway. I'm a Microsoft Excel expert, and I'm going to show you how to transfer sheets between Microsoft Excel workbooks. This is a very easy function. I'll explain it from the beginning. If we open up two different workbooks, that's the first thing that you want to do. Open up the two workbooks that you want to share the sheets with. Look at the bottom of the sheets and you'll of the workbook, and you'll see the sheets listed. Here it says Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, and in this other workbook I have opened, it only has one sheet. So let's say we want to copy this first sheet with all of this data in here over to this sheet, this workbook where I have just one graph set up and some basic data. I'm going to just click on sheet 1 and drag it over to the other workbook, and that's it. It's been installed into the other workbook. You can also do this with multiple sheets. If you hold down the Shift button, let's do sheets 2 and 3. I'll select 2 first, hold down Shift, select 3, and then I can perform the same function. So you can basically move the whole workbook over to a different workbook if you'd like to. And then make sure you save your changes. That's how to move worksheets from, sheets from one workbook to another. I'm Justin Conway. I hope you enjoyed.